Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the definition. Start. Vocational education and training at present is being imparted through polytechnics and industrial training institutions, etc. Nursing schools and commercial training schools are also associated in these activities. Stop. Within the school system, vocational education is given at plus 2 stage. Stop. The data regarding engineering and non-engineering trades and students is available. Stop. There is also a centrally sponsored scheme of pre-vocational education at lower secondary stage. Stop. It was launched primarily because of the fact that more than 90% of the student population does not go beyond class 10th, thereby creating a large segment of unskilled labor force. Stop. Under this scheme, training is imparted in simple marketable skills to students of class 9th and 10th so that the students may develop interests and aptitudes for vocational courses at higher secondary level. Stop. A central institute for vocational education has been set up to provide technical and academic support to the program. Stop. Linkages are being sought with the industry, vocational and technical institutions so that no trainee remains unemployed after training. Stop. These measures will ensure speedy progress in providing technical education to the needy people. Stop. गाइस, क्या आप अच्छे से लिख पा रहे हो इसी स्पीड पे चलने देना है या थोड़ी इंक्रीज़ करनी है? कमेंट में बताएं ताकि मैं आपके अनुसार वीडियो बना सकूं।